Big changes over the next couple of days. I'm Time Warner Cable News meteorologist Kyle Piper, and the first of which is to much colder weather. Rain moving off to the east, the heavier rain that we saw much of our Tuesday afternoon. And now a bit of a break, but we're continuing to watch colder air work in, and that is going to change over the rain showers to snow showers across the Albany region as we go through the evening and into the overnight. Some minor accumulation expected, most areas under an inch, and it's going to be the grassy surfaces, elevated roadways that'll be the most slick as you head through the overnight hours. Some of the secondary roads on our Wednesday morning will be icy in a couple of locations. But notice off to the west, not much going on really across the entire center part of the country into central portions of Canada. We are watching a weak system moving out of Alberta and Saskatchewan into the northern plains, but that will slide to our north over the next couple of days. So high pressure works in, and that will get the sun out for our Wednesday, but with the cold air in place, it's going to be very hard pressed for us to get out of the 40s. All right, hour by hour, let's start you at 10 o'clock this evening, put everything together. By this point, rain definitely over to snow, so we'll be watching for some minor accumulations in some of the outlying areas, grassy surfaces. Through the night, though, notice the precipitation ends. By Wednesday morning, lots of sunshine, breezy still, northwesterly winds 15, 25 miles an hour. Perhaps even a few higher gusts than that. And a chilly start to the day Wednesday. During the afternoon, we'll get up into the low 40s, maybe a few spots into the mid 40s. That's going to be about it. So a far cry from the 70s and close to 80 that we saw here over the weekend. Overnight Wednesday, things remain quiet. It'll be a chilly night, and it'll be very chilly to start the day on Thursday. Temperatures for many of us again into the 20s. But we'll get much warmer Thursday afternoon and especially Friday as well. High statewide on Wednesday will be 44 here in Albany, 43 Glens Falls. Notice mid to upper 30s for central New York and the southern tier. So a chilly day in store for Wednesday, and with that northwesterly breeze of 15 to 25 miles an hour, wind chills in the 20s at times for a few of us. All right, speaking of the 20s, that's where we'll bottom out overnight, low to mid 20s. The rain does go over to snow this evening, and we'll watch for minor accumulations. And as I mentioned, the sun will be out on Wednesday, but it will remain breezy and chilly with highs only in the 40s. So that sun a little deceiving as you make your way out during the day Wednesday. All right, 7-day forecast. As I mentioned, some better changes are in store for Thursday. We'll make it into the mid-50s under plenty of sunshine. Near 60 Friday, another dry day. We'll watch for some showers Saturday, perhaps squeaking into Easter Sunday morning, but much warmer for the weekend and the start of next week.